Good morning, children. I hope you have read the 7th lesson Olympic Games, and today we'll be discussing the comprehension exercises. The exercises coming under comprehension, and so we have exercise sections A, B, and C. The first section A is the question answer, so I'll be giving you the question answers afterwards. So we'll be dealing with the next three, B, C, and D. For that, I want everyone to turn your textbooks to page number 52. Page number 52. And this section is a paragraph which is incomplete, and we have to complete the paragraph with suitable words and phrases. Exercise B. Complete the paragraph with suitable words and phrases. So I want everyone to open a textbook and turn to page number 52, and we'll be reading the paragraph once and then we'll find the answers. And mainly this paragraph is from the lesson itself, and you have to find the suitable words. If you have read the lesson, it's very easy to find the answers. So now let's read the paragraph. Exercise B. Complete the paragraph with suitable words and phrases. A few dash before the beginning of the games, a woman dash lights the Olympic torch in the Olympia Valley in dash. Many participants take turns to dash with the torch through dash countries. Just before the dash, the final runner carries it to the dash. The Olympic flame is then dash until the games close. The flame is put out at the dash. And this is the paragraph, and let's find the answers. So are you ready, children? Okay. A few dash before the beginning of the games, a few weeks before the beginning of the games, comma, a woman dash. So what should we write there? A woman dressed in Greek robes. A woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympian torch in the Olympian Valley in dash in Greece. And this paragraph you can find in page number 51, the last paragraph, page number 51, the last paragraph. So this is the paragraph where you can find the answers. Okay, so I'll read the sentence once again. A few weeks before the beginning of the games, a woman dressed in green robes lights the Olympian torch in the Olympian Valley in Greece. G should be capital, Greece. Okay, the next sentence. You can just turn the page and you can find the answers, children. It's very easy. Many participants take turns to dash with the torch, run with the torch. Many participants take turns to run with the torch through dash countries. Through different countries. Many participants take turns to run with the torch through different countries. Next sentence. Just before the dash, the final runner carries it to the dash. Just before the games begin, just before the games begin, the final runner carries it to the stadium. Okay, the next sentence. The Olympic flame is then dash until the games close. The Olympic flame is then kept burning until the games close. And the last sentence, the flame is put out at the closing ceremony. Now check the answers. A few weeks before the beginning of the games, a woman dressed in green robes lights the Olympian torch in the Olympian Valley in Greece. Next sentence. Many participants take turns to run with the torch through different countries. Just before the games begin, the final runner carries it to the stadium. The Olympic flame is then kept burning until the games close. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony. So, shall we go to the next section? Okay. Exercise C, it's in page number 53. Read the lines and answer these questions. We'll find a sentence from the lesson, and you have to find the answers for the questions given. Okay, who said this and why that person has said that, or in what situation, and the questions will be like that. So now let's look at the first one. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. So this sentence you can find in page number 51. That's in third paragraph. Page number 51, third paragraph. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. And so the question given is the first one, who is referred to as he in the above sentence? So the question is, who has said these words? That is the question. Who has said these words? Very good. Baron Pierre de Coubertin. Children, this section is just to discuss. Okay, there's no need to write. We are just discussing the lesson once again. Okay, there's no need to write. Exercise C and D, there's no need to write. We are just discussing the questions so that we'll be thorough with the lesson. Okay. So, who said this sentence? Yeah, he stands for Baron Pierre de Coubertin. Okay, Baron Pierre de Coubertin. And the next question, what did he begin and when? What was his objective? What did he begin? He began modern Olympic Games. Okay, Baron Pierre de Coubertin began modern Olympic Games. And when did he start this? In 1896. In the year 1896, Baron Pierre de Coubertin started modern Olympic Games in the year 1896. What was his objective? That means when he started this, what was his objective? Why did he start this? Because he wanted people from all over the place to come together and compete in a friendly spirit or in a friendly manner. Okay, that was his objective. He wanted people from all over the world to come together in one place and to compete to each other in a friendly spirit. That was his objective. So let's go to the next question. What do you understand by friendly spirit? What do you understand by friendly spirit? That means friendly spirit means what? That we consider everyone as friends and we let everything go. Even if we do not win, for example, you went to the competition and you did not win, and your competitor, okay, the one you competed very well, he won. And what happens is, if you get angry, then it's not in a friendly manner. But if you think that, okay, I had a chance to participate in such a big event, and so everybody is a competitor here, so I don't have to feel bad. If you feel in that way, then it's in a friendly spirit. I hope you understood. Shall we go to the next one? Yes. The second sentence is the Olympian motto in Latin, Citius, Altius, and Fortius. So we also know this. The Olympian motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius. And we have three questions here. Let's look at the first one. When did the modern Olympic Games begin? When did it begin? Just now we discussed it. In the year 1896. Okay. The modern Olympic Games began in the year 1896. What is the meaning of Citius, Altius, and Fortius? The meaning of Citius, Altius, and Fortius is swifter, higher, and stronger. The meaning of Citius, Altius, Fortius is swifter, higher, and stronger. The next question. What did it describe? What did Citius, Altius, and Fortius describe? It describes the aim of great athletes all over the world. That means all the athletes have the same goal or same aim. So that's what the Olympian motto Citius, Altius, and Fortius describes. Now the third one. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony. You can find this sentence in page number 52. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony. And we have three questions here. Which flame is being talked about here? Which flame are we talking about? It's about the flame of the Olympic torch. Okay, the flame of the Olympic torch is being talked about in this sentence. Next question. Who lights the torch and when? Who lights the torch and when? Who lights the torch? A woman dressed in green robes. In a green robe. A woman dressed in a green robe lights the torch. And when would the light be torch be lighted? It will be like weeks before the games begin. Weeks before the games begin, a woman dressed in green robe would light the torch. Okay. Now the next question, what happens after the torch is being lit? After the torch is being lit, the woman passes it to the participants, and the participants take turns and they run. So it will be like the participants may be from different countries, so they run through different countries, and the final runner would bring it to the stadium. Okay, different participants would take turns to run, and that too through different countries. Okay, and then the final runner will bring it to the stadium. That's what happens. Okay, now I hope you understood this section. Now shall we go to the next section? Exercise D, think and answer. Why does the Olympic motto continue to aspire athletes till today? Why does the Olympic motto continue to inspire athletes till today? Okay, what is our Olympic motto? Citius, Altius, and Fortius. What is the meaning of that? Swifter, higher, and stronger. So the Olympic motto, even if it was introduced in the year 1896, it still continues to inspire athletes. That means in the year 2020 also the athletes are inspired, okay, because uh, each and every athlete will, even if it's like years before or even if it's years after also, the same aim or the same goal will be happening. What the athletes will have such a kind of a mind, okay, that's why it is inspiring. Shall we go to the next one? Yeah. The important thing is not to win but to participate. What do you understand by this statement? Okay, by this statement, we can understand that we should not give much importance to winning but to participation. Okay. Mm, so, so that's what Baron Pierre Coubertin had given the wonderful advice that it's not about winning but of participation. That's the mind everybody should have, even if it's not about the case in Olympics, but each and everything, each and every decision we take, it should be only of participation but not of winning. Winning is good, okay, but if if you did not win, you should not never feel bad, okay, but at the time you should feel that I at least got a chance to participate. That's what you should, that's the mind you should have, okay. Now the last question. The labors of Heracles needed both strength and intelligence. Do you think the modern Olympic Games require the competitors to be both strong and intelligent? Give examples to your answer. Okay, one of the myths about Heracles, yes or no? He had strength and also intelligence. So the question is, should we also, as competitors, require both strength and intelligence? That's the question. So if we have strength and intelligence, it will be easier for us to overcome all the difficulties and perform the best. That's what we'll get when we are both strong and intelligent. Okay, for now we'll stop, and tomorrow we'll be continuing with the next section. The next section is language in use, and we're going to learn about main verbs and helping verbs, and it's very easy. So children, please go through the lesson once again, and the exercises which are given daily, please try to finish it. Only then you can, it will be very easy to learn, and this is one of the interesting lessons. So I want everyone to read the lesson because it has got a lot of general knowledge in it. So please read the lesson. And this exercise C and D are just for discussion. You only have to complete exercise B for today. And take care, children, and bye.